With home building, technology shouldn't be a limiting factor for what we offer in design, right? Having a connected platform where my plans, my visualizers, and my estimating is connected, there's no world that that's a bad thing.
Signature Homes, we are a community builder. What we found is that people will first buy a community, then they'll buy a home. The industry's gotten a little bit spoiled. We as an industry had the highest margins that we've had in 20 years. We know margins are going to decrease. The way we make up for that is to have better technology.
We used AutoCAD. 4 years ago, we made the transition to Revit to get into some 3D stuff. Come to find out, it's a heavy lift.
AutoCAD and Revit not being designed for residential home building, you have to essentially break it into what you want it to do, which is not the easiest workflow, not the most efficient use of time.
By the time we're done, we have 800 unique design options. In reality, it's like we're offering 30 options, but the exponential math exploded to the point where like you go to add one more design option, the file would crash and no longer work. We were limited by our software, and that's not a place you want to be.
When the team approached us with Higharc, I threatened to write my 2 weeks notice right in front of them. What changed my mind was actually seeing it and seeing how it would benefit our business. Higharc's allowed us to kind of go the opposite way and build everything into one file, and then we can option up from there.
The market's asking for more variability in plans. Stuff you see in custom homes that you don't see in production. Higharc was the solution for that, giving us the ability to have more options and kind of break them out, get material estimates out of it, as well as being able to see it in 3D.
In studio, I have built probably 40 new home plans in 8 months. Before Higharc, that would have taken a year and a half.
With Higharc, we're saving 6 to 7 hours minimum on plans. Same process, same workflow. Higharc's cut out 75% of the time to do it. We did some early estimates off of the first few sales we have. It could be anywhere from 5 to 11% revenue increase on just option sales. We're offering more options so they can kind of pick what fits their lifestyle. So you're already easily paying for the software and then some.
The home building industry over the next 5 years will belong to the efficient.
The builders that don't invest in this technology, they're going to be getting lapped by other builders that have taken the time to leverage technology to help their businesses out.
Since we started with Higharc, it's been probably the best partnership you could ask for in any type of company, not even just a software company, but just alignment of vision, right, from the top down.
When we have a problem, you have a problem. We truly consider you a partner, and we don't say that very lightly.
If I had to go back to an old drafting software, I would get into another business.